Hey everybody, these guys sent me this A-Zone solar streetlight to do an unboxing and review on. Let's check it out. Here's everything that came in the box. Got the panel and the light, and this is the mounting pole, and then this is the mounting bracket. These two brackets are going to go on the back side of that solar light there. This is going to slide right up in that hole there to mount the solar light. Okay, for setup on this thing, we're going to take this piece here. It's just going to go right in here, but we're going to feed this thing up through there. Bring it out through that hole right there. It's just going to go in there. We're going to loosen those 4 bolts up. Again, this is the A-Zone model YSSD. It comes with all the nuts and bolts to mount it. Just dump those out here. It also comes with the Allen wrench, and this Allen wrench fits right in here. Okay, and then you flip this light over too. These things need to be backed all the way out as well. And then the pipe gets inserted. I'll go ahead and tighten everything down. Front side too. Okay, next step is to flip the solar panel over. And then this piece is going to go right here. Just like that. Then we're going to take these little guys here. We're going to take 4 of these. Secure them right there, and right there. Hey guys, I found the best way to get this done, the quickest way, is to grab a pair of hemostats or even some needle nose pliers, and that way you can hang onto the nut below there, because there's not much of a ledge to get your fingers. I can't get my fingers underneath there, so this is the trick for holding the nut, and then just get you Phillips and screw them all down. Yeah, so I just hang onto the nut with one hand and screw it in with that. Okay, same thing here. This thing's just going to go right on here. Okay, first thing I did is just put these 2 screws in, so the back side of this one looks like that. Now we've got a couple more here. Once we get this to what position we want, so it's got some adjusters there. Put it in that position or that position. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one for now. Put a couple screws right in there. There too. One thing I need to mention too, before you put this piece on, don't have this piece underneath there, because you won't get it out because of that piece. You want to have this on the same side as that there. Just set that aside. Okay, now this piece here on the light, that piece, that mates up with this piece right there. I'm going to use these fasteners here to install them. Short little guys, you get 2 of them. Now this fastener here just goes right through there, and the nuts on the back side, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Just go ahead and slide it right down in there, tighten it down. Okay, one of the nice things about this setup too is it gives you some more versatility as far as being able to angle this in relation to the panel. So you can take it and go like this if you need to, or like that, all kinds of different positions depending on where you're going to get the most sunlight, and of course what looks most pleasing to you as well. Now we'll go ahead and connect these 2. Now you can see the right way for these things to go. There's a little slot in there, and that slot meets up with the slot there. So we'll go ahead and connect those. Okay, you got to push these together kind of hard, which the reason for that is that way it keeps that connection waterproof. And the other thing is that there's a little connector that I lost in here. Here we go. Dig it out of there, and then it slides right down over the top of that, making that connection even tighter and fully waterproof. So that's the setup right there. And then just kind of show you, I'll take this and either tie it up, kind of get that out of the way. That's the setup for the light. So I'm going to give you the remote rundown. So as far as the extra pieces here, this piece here is if you're going to put it around a 4x4, you can clamp that to the end and pull those pieces together. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to go right to a piece of wood with some lag bolts. These are if you want to go into cement. These are extra parts. These little carriage bolts are extras as well. You could use that for this application if you need to. Not going to use any of that stuff for this installation. The remote takes 2 AAA batteries. It's got a 3-hour, 5-hour, and 8-hour mode. That'll tell you that's how long the light will stay on. All right, here's the rundown on the remote and what this light will do. So on, just turns it on. Off, boom, automatically turns it off. If you want to increase the brightness of the light, just push the positive button. If you want to decrease it, obviously the negative. The Eco will adjust the color temperature after the lighting, so you can go white light or yellow and white light. So I'm curious to see that function, because I'd like it to actually be some yellow light. And then this here is 100% brightness, and then this here is 50% brightness. That's all covered right there. And then as far as the auto, it's automatic mode. The lights automatically turn off at dawn and turn on at dusk. Of course, the 3, 5, and 8 hour function. Here's how bright this thing is in the hallway. Let's go put it up outside. All right, there it is in the daylight. Sun coming right on it. We'll check this baby out tonight. I like that light. Oh, this is a real nice light. I like the more yellow type of light too. That is really nice. So it lights up this whole area here. I've actually got this thing inside now. I just wanted to show you the different light functions on this. This Eco will change the light color on that. Look at that. I really like that. That's what I'm after. I like the white light, it's fine, but not everybody likes it. There's more of a bluer light. It's all done by pushing the Eco. And there's that yellow light again. See, that's really nice. I like the versatility of this. Awesome light, guys. If you're looking for a solar light, grab this one. This is really nice. All right, thanks for watching.